The United States of America came into existence through a series of historical events and developed over several centuries. Hey there, history enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back, and today we're embarking on a fascinating journey through time to explore a question that has captivated generations. Grab a cup of coffee and popcorn as we proceed. How did America come into existence? From the gleaming skyscrapers of New York City to the majestic landscapes of the Grand Canyon, America is a nation with a rich tapestry of history. But how did this diverse and influential nation actually come into existence? What events, ideas, and people paved the way for the United States we know today? Here is a brief overview of the key moments and factors that contributed to the formation of the United States. 1. Colonial period. 1607 to 1776. The first permanent English settlement in North America was established at Jamestown, Virginia, in 1607. Over the next century and a half, English, Dutch, French, and Spanish colonies were established along the eastern coast of North America. The British colonies, in particular, grew in population and economic importance. 2. French and Indian War. 1754 to 1763. This conflict between Great Britain and France over control of North America had significant implications for the future of the United States. The British victory in the war expanded their territorial claims in North America, but also led to increased tensions with the American colonists over issues like taxation. 3. American Revolution. 1775 to 1783. The American Revolutionary War began in 1775 with the battles of Lexington and Concord. The Second Continental Congress issued the Declaration of Independence on July 4, 1776, asserting the 13 American colonies' independence from British rule. The war continued for several years, with notable events like the Battle of Saratoga and foreign assistance from France. In 1781, the British Army under General Cornwallis surrendered at Yorktown, effectively ending the war. 4. Treaty of Paris. 1783. The Treaty of Paris in 1783 officially recognized the United States' independence from Great Britain and established the boundaries of the new nation. The United States emerged as a sovereign nation with its own government, and the Constitution was eventually drafted to provide the framework for the federal government. 5. Constitutional Convention. 1787. In 1787, delegates from the states convened in Philadelphia to draft the United States Constitution, which established the structure of the federal government. The Constitution was ratified in 1788, and George Washington was elected as the first president of the United States in 1789. 6. Expansion and growth. Over the next century, the United States expanded westward through a series of land acquisitions, including the Louisiana Purchase, 1803, and the Oregon Trail migration. Economic growth and industrialization transformed the nation, leading to urbanization and increased immigration. 7. Civil War. 1861 to 1865. The issue of slavery led to deep divisions in the United States, ultimately culminating in the American Civil War. The Union, Northern states, prevailed over the Confederacy, Southern states, in 1865, preserving the United States as a single nation and leading to the abolition of slavery. 8. Reconstruction and beyond. After the Civil War, the United States underwent a period of reconstruction to rebuild the South and address the civil rights of newly freed slaves. The 19th century also saw significant westward expansion, the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad, and the growth of industry. 9. The 20th century and beyond. The United States played a prominent role in both world wars and emerged as a global superpower. The civil rights movement of the mid-20th century fought for racial equality and led to important legislative changes. The United States has since been a major player in global politics, economics, and culture. The United States of America's history is complex and multifaceted, shaped by a multitude of historical events, individuals, and factors over the centuries.